Many people in Pakistan suffer in silence because they do not know how to file a family case in district court. This video explains in simple words how a family case is put up under the Family Courts Act 1964. Family cases include divorce, khula, maintenance, mehr, dowry articles, and child custody, and they are filed in the family court of the relevant district. The process starts with preparing a written caption or petition where the plaintiff explains the marriage details, problems faced, and the relief requested from the court. Names, addresses, and basic facts are clearly mentioned so the judge can understand the dispute. After filing the case, the court issues a notice to the other party and first tries reconciliation, because the purpose of family court is to resolve disputes, not to punish anyone. If settlement fails, the court proceeds according to law and decides the matter on merit. Filing a family case is not something to fear. It is a legal right given to protect dignity, maintenance, and the welfare of children. This video is for awareness only, so people can understand their rights and the correct legal procedure before approaching the district court.